Hello. In this video, I am going to unpack this package. I believe this is the rocker switches that I ordered. So let's see if that's the content inside of this package. Yes. These are the rocker switches. They're much smaller than I had visualized, but they will work. Just like the way I used two rocker switches for the DC motors on JOHNN-E-B, I will use these rocker switches for various power control areas on JOHNN-E-B. So not everything needs to be on while I work and design JOHNN-E-B's operation, so I can turn specific areas of JOHNN-E-B on or off accordingly. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 rocker switches. I bought them as a bargain in mass quantity. Thank you for watching.